everyone. We have a slip disc patient at L4, L5 and L5S1 with radiation on the left leg. And your radiation is basically you have pain in the left butt and left calf, especially on the side of the calf. So he has come all the way from Raipur, Chhattisgarh, and then give me a brief idea as to how it happened and how long have you been having this problem?
It all happened when I was admitted in the Raipur hospital, VY hospital, Raipur, for COVID infection.
Okay.
I was in the ICU for about 10 days.
Right.
And to be precise, I was admitted around 17th. Mm-hmm. And on 25th, when I got up and walking.
Of this year?
Of this year, 2021.
Yeah.
I was walking to the washroom. I felt suddenly when I stand up, I was tingling. I was not able to start.
Right.
And going to the washroom was
difficult for you. Okay.
I asked for orthopedic, but I don't know, maybe because of COVID, nobody came. Only they
Right.
Painkillers to my room, but which didn't give any result.
Right.
On 1st of February, they discharged me.
Okay.
I came to.
So you were at home, and then. Were you able to? Obviously, you were walking in the home and do your. But you had difficulty.
So I was always sitting or lying down.
So what type of difficulty were you facing? Is that when you got up
when you stand, I felt the tickling sensation starting on my foot.
Okay.
Then it come to the calf.
Okay.
Then the pain, it converted into pain on my buttock and the calf.
Correct.
I was not able to stand also.
Correct.
Even initially. Then I went to Bangalore.
Right.
Then I went to the Manipal hospital. There I went to the spine department.
Okay.
They gave me first they gave me an epidural injection.
Right.
And they asked me to take bed rest for 10 days.
Right.
I took that rest. Again, it was slight relief, but it is not good enough.
Right. So you basically saw me on YouTube?
I saw you on
YouTube and then you basically contacted me and
because the doctor told me they gave second injection nerve root block.
Yep.
After that, it can say that's only I was able to move around, but tremendous pain is there.
Right.
Then I also took Ayurvedic treatment for
correct. So currently, if we are on the same page, your main problem is radiating pain in the butt and in the calf of the left leg, especially when you stand and walk.
Continue stand for a long 5 minutes.
Correct.
To hold something.
Correct, exactly. And so, in fact, initially you have pain even while walking after a minute and a half. Minute and a half. And in some seconds also, initially you are having that tremendous pain. Alright, we will do very quick 2 tests. Obviously, you know that you are not allowed to forward bend because of the 2 disc bulge that you have. So, could you bend? And then slouch your body. Slouch, relax, exactly, chin to the chest. Just slouch your body, and chin to the. No, you don't have to do anything. So raise your right leg. Right leg is your good leg. So you don't have any kind of pain, radiation, something like that. Alright, fantastic. How about your left one? So do you feel any kind of sensation? Slight pain, where do you have the pain? In the buttock you have pain. Do you have any stretch over here? Not really. Not really. Alright. Could you lie down with your head over here and face up? So now so what I will be doing is I will raise your both legs, first the good leg and then your left leg. Okay? I will do it, you don't have to do it. If the hams at the posterior chain or superficial back line which is kind of tight. I will be lifting your left leg, please don't help me. Now any problem, any pain, anything over here?
The slide
in the buttock area.
Once it has come to the property, no problem.
Okay.
Now it is there.
Now it is there in the buttock.
Buttock and calf
Calf also you are feeling with the dorsiflexion.
Yes.
So you have it. Alright, fantastic. So could you lay on your belly quick? Alright. So I will be pushing a little bit from here to here. Let me know if you have any pain in any of the areas. Okay. Your back is really stiff. This part is actually little softer than your mid back and low back. Here, right over here you have pain. Okay. Any pain over here? Maybe slight or nothing at all. Correct, just pressure pain. But you do have pain over here, right over here. Okay. So which is basically around pain is higher lumbar spine, L1, L2, maybe L3 a little bit, that's it. I will press on both sides. First the good side, that's the right side.
Okay.
So let me know if you have any pain over here. Probably yes, no? No. Alright, and then I'll be pushing on the left side. So let me know if you have any pain or anything. Yes, no?
No.
Not really. Okay. Let me push a little bit more. Nothing?
No.
Alright. Here
No.
and over here. Maybe.
No, but that's because of the high pressure on the.
So is the pressure over here and here same?
Now almost same. Yes.
Okay, alright, then that's fantastic. Okay, so what we will be doing is we will start a little bit of the treatment to mobilize the sacrum or the tailbone, and then we'll go from there. Okay?
Okay.
It is really tight, the sacral motion, my gosh, that is really tight. You said you have pain right over here,
Yeah.
correct?
Yes.
Yeah, when I press. Don't help me. Okay, relax. Let me know if you have the same pain over here, okay? Alright, relax. Tell me.
No.
So right now you don't feel any pain or less pain?
Not pain, not really.
Okay, that's fantastic. So I will do one more thing to reduce the pain over here. Hold on for a second. Your muscles are really tight over there actually.
But I do a lot of exercise also.
Yeah, so you are right. By doing exercises,
I saw
you
the
will
other
try to.
day, I see the YouTube, whatever they suggest for the.
Right, that's a good thing.
YouTube as my guru.
YouTube, yeah, for most people, YouTube is the guru.
And whatever is not very strenuous, simple, I do it.
Correct.
That also now I look only for those which is suggesting for lower back pain.
Correct. That is just amazing. Alright, could you actually turn towards me, please? There you go. Done. Wonderful. Alright, on the other side. Much easier. Okay. And straighten this leg. Thank you. And then hold on to your arms and look towards the sky. Alright. Look. Relax a little bit. There you go. I like it. Done. Alright. Now actually you have to sit. You have to kind of mimic me. Your problem is in the left leg, but what we are going to do is for the right leg. Okay? So right leg, keep your knee straight, right? Slouch your body a little bit. There you go, like this. Now, keeping your body slouched and your knee straight, now point your toes towards you with your head back. Just your head back, as much as back as possible. And then forward. And the leg. So these should be synchronous in the same time, at the same time. Back and front. Back and front. So do it continue doing it for 20 repetitions. So let's say this is 1, pull back your foot. So we will be treating the opposite side, that's the right side, and we will see if there is any change in your walking duration and pattern for the problem that you have come with. Alright, let's see. Okay, now you are going to push on my hand with approximately 25%, very light pressure, okay? Push. 1, 2, and you have to be focused on the right side where you have pain. Remember the butt pain that you have?
Yes.
That's where your focus should be, okay? Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 0, 10. Relax. Okay. Now, 25% pressure, you're going to push on my shoulders. Ready? Start. 1, 2, very lightly. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 0, 10. Relax. Finally. So again you are going to push from your focal point and push down on my shoulders. Was that? Alright, start. Push. A little more. There you go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 0, 10. Relax. One sec. Get ready to walk. One sec. And start, please. Straight up and down. When you came in, it was about 1.5 minutes of walk, and after that you started to feel more than 3 out of 10 pain. So now you walked about 4 minutes 40 seconds, and now then you started to have. So that's an increase by 3 times actually. So now the point is, your first pain was over here or over there?
Almost simultaneously.
Almost simultaneously. But even if you said it's almost, do you think that this is first or this is first?
This has come, then it has come.
So previously, so it was over here,
then
here, now it's switched.
It's switched.
Right? So it's centralizing right now.
Centralizing.
Okay, so that is exactly what we want.
Everything should centralize.
Exactly. I mean, otherwise in such
If
a
it is coming down, it is wrong.
Correct. If it is going up, that is a positive sign, and
sign.
in such a short period of time post treatment, and you showed such a great increase. That's fascinating. So now that's fantastic. You need a fist pump on that. That's awesome. All right, fantastic. So please continue to watch and subscribe for our channel, and so that you understand and learn the mechanics, what is happening and what exercises are recommended. So for any slip disc or disc bulge or collapse disc. All right. So thank you so much. Be with us.